Hi guys, hi guys. It's part 2 now because our video got cut short.
And
so now
day 8.
Yes. So come on, let's unlock. Day 8 looks like a ball. Yes!
We got the Christmas ball.
We got the white Lindt droplet ball.
We keep getting a duplicate.
No, but it's supposed to be duplicate. Try it.
Okay guys, where's day 7? Day 9.
Wait for me.
Day 9 guys.
There's there by the big teddy bear. Wait for me, quickly.
Day 9, day 9, day 9, day 9. Day 9. I'm gonna find day 9. Oh, there's day 9. It's really big. It looks like another Santa Claus. I don't know what it could be.
Yeah, day 9 might be another teddy bear with the cute clothing.
Yeah, well, a complete teddy bear.
Okay, it's a bunny. Oh, teddy bear.
Oh, the big teddy bear. I like this one.
It's the big mini, big one. Look, guys. Guys.
It's like guys in there.
Guys.
Wait, which day now?
Now we
Day
are
10.
on day 10.
It looks like the
It
two
looks
balls.
like another. No.
Oh, Anna is correct. It's 2 green and red balls.
Oh, it's this one. Guys, wait, I'll show. Oh, it's a new chocolate, guys. It's the 4 mini milk chocolate balls.
Yo, guys.
It's a new chocolate, guys.
Look. It's really nice.
Guys, it looks nice. We
got
can
so
hang
much
it on our
chocolate.
tree, guys. We have so much chocolate. Now we are on day 11.
Have me find it, bro.
There's day 11. They're brown.
Oh, there's.
It's another mini teddy bear. With the cute ones with the clothes.
I think it's different flavors.
No, it's with different flavor fillings.
Yes. Nice,
Yes, guys. Thank you, Mom.
Now we
Day 12. Yeah, day 12. Oh, sorry.
You try touching me.
And it looks like it's another big one.
Teddy bear. Big teddy bear. What is it?
It's a snow girl. Snow girl.
Snowman.
It's this one. The one Lindt mini
cool.
milk chocolate snowman, different color possible. I got the girly one.
You got the girly one.
Nah, you don't have to mock about that.
Right, we're going on to day 13. There's it.
We're day 13.
There's it. Oh no. Where's day 13?
Guys, we're having difficulties finding
Look at it.
day
I saw it right now.
13, day 14, day 12, day 15.
Where's day 13, Mom?
Oh, there's day 13 right at the top.
Wait. This thing like this.
Right, guys, so let's see. 2 balls.
Oh, it's the
2
chocolate balls again.
Cold ones. The creme nut ones.
Oh yeah.
Guys, they come with 4 nut centers. Mom, we got more than golden nut centers.
Chocolates.
Mom! Oh, these ones here. See, we get mixed.
Guys,
there's also the mini white truffles.
Day 14 now.
Guys, so yeah.
Mom, come on the phone and say, help me find it.
There's day 14.
Help me find day 14, guys. Where is it? Okay. That's it over here on the bottom by the
Oh, it's another 2 gold chocolate balls.
It's not gold.
Thanks for helping us.
It's not gold.
It is gold.
It's like a darkish gold.
Goldish bronze.
Bronze.
Hello, look here.
Guys.
Guys, it looks cool. 14, now day 15. There's day 15. There's day 15.
Oh, it's looking like
It's looking like a big one, guys.
It's like a wow.
a big teddy bear.
And it's another cute teddy bear. Guys, we have so much chocolate.
You
And how many days we must? 15th. Today is the 15th?
Today is the 18th. 16th. Where's 16th?
Oh.
Guys, where is the 16th? We have to
Guys, come help us look for 16th.
16. It's all hard.
Guys,
because it's all
there's 16. Thanks for telling me.
Where's 16? Oh, thank you. It's looking like a nice one. 2 balls.
Oh, it's 2 green ones. Oh, green ones.
Oh, you got a different one. I got red one.
Yeah, because it's different varieties.
Yo!
And now, guys, we have number 17. Number 17 right at the bottom.
Day 17 has day. Oh, it's looking like a Santa
Oh,
Claus.
it's a chocolate teddy bear, guys. The cute ones.
Small chocolate teddy bear. The small chocolate teddy bear.
And for the final day,
18. There's it on the
day
top.
18.
It's looking like a Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Oh, it's a big teddy bear! It's a big teddy bear! It's a big teddy bear!
It's the 40-gram teddy bear.
It's a big teddy bear! It's a big teddy bear in the house!
Nah, this is the 40-gram teddy bear.
Guys,
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
We'll see you tomorrow for another
Part
pack
three.
opening.